Let's get some further analysis on this important issue. We're now joined by lawyer Joseph Haynes Davis, who is in Orlando, Florida for us. Joseph, always good to see you. I mean, as a lawyer, I'm wondering if you can please explain to us what the legal argument was with the courts deciding to overturn this landmark ruling.
Well, thank you, as always, for having me. I would like to just start out by saying that there is no presumptive entitlement to a liberal-leading Supreme Court. I mean, historically, the court arguably has been liberal-leaning for 58 years. One could argue, beginning with the Griswold case, which is often termed as the contraceptive cases, Griswold versus Connecticut. You asked about the court's belief or maybe approach. Well, they basically, in particular, Justice Alito said, the judicial branch derives its legitimacy not from public opinion. And that being public opinion should not influence judicial decisions. Their decision apparently was based on the majority's reading of the Constitution that stands, the Ninth Amendment, and the enumerated rights that they basically said there was no express right to an abortion from the from the government, and would allow the states to make their own decision on that issue. That being, the states would regulate themselves. And as you mentioned, and your colleague, I should say, mentioned, some states already have what are known as trigger laws, that being that abortion would be banned upon the overturning of Roe v. Wade.
So I'm having a little bit of difficulty in understanding this. So help me understand. I mean, if the Supreme Court is saying it has there is no constitutional right to abortion, then why did it actually rule on Roe versus Wade or the Planned Parenthood ruling?
Well, the fundamental bottom line, apparently for this court, is that the states should be able to regulate that process and procedure themselves, that being through the 10th Amendment, which allows the states to make rules that aren't expressly set forth in the United States Constitution. I can also tell you that apparently, according to court, again, they're going to make their decision based upon how they have read precedent, how they've read the law and history, how they've read the Ninth Amendment and the unenumerated rights, the due process clause of the 14th Amendment, which actualizes, if you will, those unenumerated rights, those rights that are reserved to the people that may not be expressed. So that is the approach, and that has been the approach in this decision. And there are some that are happy with it, and obviously there are some that are unhappy with it.
Indeed. All right, Joseph Haynes Davis, thank you very much for joining us here on TRT World. I always enjoy talking to you, and I appreciate your analysis. Thank you.